All right, welcome everyone. Today we're jumping headfirst into one of the biggest, most mind-bending puzzles in all of science. Think of us as cosmic detectives, and we're on the trail of a mysterious, invisible presence that literally holds our entire universe together. So, let's start with the first big clue in our mystery. You look up at a galaxy, right? You see billions of stars all spinning around a central point at absolutely insane speeds. And that brings up a really big question. Why don't they just fly apart?
Because here's the problem. When scientists actually do the math and add up all the gravity from everything we can see, the stars, the gas clouds, the planets, it's not even close. There just isn't enough gravitational glue to keep these things from spinning out of control.
I mean, seriously, based on every law of physics we know, these beautiful galaxies should have ripped themselves to shreds billions of years ago. The stars should just be scattered everywhere. But they're not. They're spinning along just fine. So what in the world is going on?
Well, this leads us straight to the heart of our investigation. There has to be something else out there. Something we can't see. Some kind of invisible glue holding the cosmos together.
And that's really the perfect way to think about it. It's almost as if some unseen cosmic superglue is making sure everything stays in place. And this invisible glue, well, it has a name.
Meet our number one suspect, dark matter. And let's be super clear here. This isn't just stuff that's dim or far away. It's completely invisible. It doesn't give off light, it doesn't block light, it doesn't reflect light. You could have the most powerful telescope in the universe, and you would never, ever see it directly.
So you're probably wondering, how do we even know it's there then? Well, think about the wind. You can't see the wind, right? But you can definitely see the leaves rustling in the trees, and you can feel it on your skin. It's the exact same idea with dark matter. We can't see the stuff itself, but we can see its massive gravitational pull, yanking on the stars and galaxies all around it.
Now that we're pretty sure something is out there, the next question is obvious. How much of it are we talking about? Well, when scientists decided to kind of weigh the entire universe, the answer they got was absolutely staggering.
Okay, let's start with what we know. Everything you have ever seen or touched in your entire life. Every star, every planet, every grain of sand, you, me, all of it. That makes up just 5% of the universe.
The full recipe for the cosmos is just wild. That little 5% sliver, that's normal matter. That's us. Dark matter, our invisible glue, makes up a whopping 27% of everything. And the rest, 68%, is an even weirder thing called dark energy. So yeah, dark matter outweighs everything we consider normal by more than 5 to 1. I mean, that's a pretty humbling thought, isn't it? It means that the reality we experience every day is just the tiniest tip of a colossal cosmic iceberg. Most of what makes up our universe is completely hidden from us.
Okay, the detective story is heating up. We know something's out there, and we know there's a ton of it. But what actually is it? Well, it's time to bring in the suspect lineup.
So scientists have a few prime suspects. First, you've got WIMPs. These are heavy particles that almost never interact with anything. Then you have axions, which are super-duper light, invisible particles. And then there's this really wild third idea. What if there's no mystery particle at all? What if our understanding of gravity itself is just wrong?
And to give you an idea of just how slippery these suspects could be, just think about WIMPs. If they're real, they are so uninterested in us that scientists think billions of them are passing straight through your body every single second, and you'd never ever feel it. Kind of creepy, right?
But here's the thing. And as of right now, we haven't been able to prove any of these theories. We have a ton of evidence that something's there, but we haven't caught the culprit yet. The case file is still wide open.
So you might be sitting there thinking, okay, this is a cool space puzzle, but why does it matter to me? Well, it turns out that this invisible mystery is pretty much the reason we exist at all.
Let's just do a quick thought experiment. Let's imagine a universe where this invisible glue just wasn't there. What would that even look like?
Well, for starters, it would have been a total bust. Without the extra gravity from dark matter, all the gas in the early universe would have just been too spread out. It never would have clumped together. Dark matter basically acted as an invisible scaffolding, giving normal matter something to grab onto so it could form stars and build the amazing galaxies we see today. And here's the ultimate punchline. No dark matter means no galaxies. No galaxies means no stars like our sun, and no sun means no Earth. You, me, this whole world, we simply wouldn't exist.
Our very existence is thanks to this mysterious stuff we can't even see.
So that brings us to the final chapter of our story, which is happening right now. The search for this cosmic culprit is one of the most exciting things happening in science, and believe me, the hunt is on.
All over the planet, scientists are using some incredible tools for this search. They've built these gigantic detectors deep underground to hide from other radiation, just hoping to catch a dark matter particle bumping into a single atom. They're using space telescopes, and they're even smashing particles together to try to create it from scratch.
And here's what's so exciting. The moment one of these experiments gets a definite signal, it's not just solving a mystery. It will completely rewrite our textbooks on physics and our understanding of reality itself. And that discovery could literally happen any day now. I think this is the perfect way to sum it all up. Dark matter really is the silent shadow hero of the cosmic story. It never gets any of the credit, it's never in the spotlight, but without it, there's no story at all.
And so we end our investigation not really with an answer, but with the amazing question that keeps science moving forward. We have all this evidence pointing to our shadow hero. We know it exists, we know it's powerful, and we know it's essential. But the ultimate mystery remains: who or what is it? The search continues.